So Kenneth said, what does it mean to swing trade? I've been looking to trading the 1 hour since working full time is making it difficult to trade. So for me, I started trading as a swing trader as well. When I got into trading, I was still working a job during the week at the DJ company that I worked for, doing sales and booking parties and doing stuff like that for them. So swing trading for me was something I could look at in the morning and then monitor it throughout the day rather than be stuck at my desk while I'm trying to do other stuff, because I still needed to make money to pay my bills. When I was learning how to trade, I wasn't making enough money at that time. So swing trading really means looking to take a position and hold it for more than a few hours. Day trading, you're in and out sometimes in less than 15 minutes if it doesn't work out for you. Some people would call that scalping. I think scalping is like 1 minute chart, tick charts, very, very fast. But for me, the day trading is more of like a 15-minute to 1 hour to 2 hour, 3 hour trade, unless it develops and I can stay in that trade and turn it into a swing trade. Swing trading itself, you do it on the higher time frames, and then you have to make less decisions in between those candles. So for example, with the A1 system that we teach, if you were to swing trade the A1 strategy, you would only be looking at 1 hour candles. I'm going to show you two right now that we've had already this week. Every bar closes at the 1 hour candle mark. So it's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. When those bars close, that's when we look to make trading decisions. So let me show you here on the 1 hour chart this week. So far, we've had two pretty decent ones. This is on Euro JPY. This is an A1 entry at 8 a.m. New York time. This took a few days. By the next day, it was up about 4R, 40 pips, risking about 13, 50 pips, risking 13. If you're still holding that trade into today, you can see you're up 77, 78 pips with your initial risk of only 12 pips. This is 1 hour for each candle that you see. So this is very slow. This is Monday into Tuesday into Wednesday. Now here on Euro NZD, same thing. Monday at 7 a.m., an A1 entry. It's sideways all afternoon. Doesn't move at all on Monday. Monday night into Tuesday, it gets shoved lower. Tuesday night into Wednesday, now it's moved even lower, 140 pips, only risking 23. So you're making decisions on the 1 hour candle close, and then you're judging that on each further 1 hour candle close. Really, too, with the swing trading, I would recommend you really trust your stop losses. You really need a good system so you know where the stop loss could go, because with swing trading, you want to give it more time to breathe. It's not going to just be like you're catching breakouts like you do on a day trading time frame. It's just different. So that's how I would look to swing trade, Kenneth. I hope that answers your question. Tika said, for the D2 on GN, where would you put your stop? Let's show you. So here, because we do not have a retest of the 50 EMA, just this break and runs, if you were to enter on this break of the 50, the stop has to go at the bottom. There is no high or low here, Tika, to give structure for you to trade off of. So there's just no other point, no other structure point is the way to say it. Sam said, have you ever done any scalp trading? I tried it, bro, when I first started. It's just not my speed. Too fast. Do I teach scalping in the course? You could scalp with the A1 and D1 entry, but it's just not my style. Like, I'm sure people do it. James used the 5 minute before. I still use the 1 minute for my D1 entries. Like the Euro AUD entry today comes off the 1 minute chart. So it's not just the time frame that you use, it's how long you're looking to get in and hold that trade for. That's really what determines if you're scalping or swing trading or day trading. Do you find it harder to find good trades doing swing trades? And can you find entries such as the D1 and D2? Good questions, Enzo. I don't find it harder. I just find that you'll see less entries. You will trade less as a swing trader than you would as a day trader, naturally. And every week could be different. 1 week a day trader might trade more, and 1 week a swing trader might trade more. Every week will be different. So that's the first part of your question. Second part of your question, you can find D1 and D2 entries with the higher time frames. They're just a little bit more advanced. So that's why I don't really speak about them too much. That's what we teach in the advanced course. For like, simple terms, YouTube stuff, I always focus on the A1 entry when we talk about swing trading, just because it's breakouts, it's easy to identify. That's what the bread and butter is built off of. Anushk, I think is how you say it. Anushki. I think I got that right. How do I get into the Discord? So again, the Discord chat is for people who take the starter pack, the beginner course and the advanced course. The beginner course and the advanced course, let me show you really quick. I'm going to put the link right here. This is where we teach the A1, the D1, and the D2 strategy. So you can click that link right there I just put in the chat, and that's where you can find out more about the systems and how you can get into the Discord. It's a one-time fee, lifetime access thing. And like I said, next week, we're going to be dropping the crash course and the toolkit. Those two products are something that I think for those of you that are not in ASFX and you maybe don't want to fork out the $750 for the starter pack or the $400 for the beginner course, whatever, these are less than $100. It's super cheap, and that's going to give you like an intro. I think if I did my job right, it's going to motivate you to say, okay, now I got a little foundation from Austin. Now I want to go deeper with ASFX, and I want to get into the Discord, and I want to do all that stuff. So that's where all of these products come together. I hope that answers your question. Yep, you got it, Enzo. 100%, brother. What are your thoughts on day trading and swing trading together? Great question, Tariq. Day trading and swing trading together is doable. I would just make sure you're doing it on the, for me, it's always worked better on separate accounts. Like I have a swing trading account and a day trading account because I don't want the trades to intermingle. And sometimes I go into drawdown on the swing trades and I don't want that to pull or hurt from my day trades. So separate accounts kind of makes it easy. You don't have to do that though. Do whatever speaks to you.